Hello friends, I am Rushiraj and today we are going to see details about memory allocation in Java. What mean by memory allocation? Means for variable or anything, memory allocate and deallocate. This process, memory allocation and deallocation, is nothing but memory management in Java. Means memory management system. Okay. Next, how does memory allocate to objects or to primitive type data type? Let's discuss this. All primitive type data type variables are directly stored into the stack memory. Because of this, stack will become very heavy. Because of that heaviness, the working and program running time and memory consumption as well as RAM consumption is increased. To minimize this advantage, objects are introduced. Means reference data types are introduced. In that, we store the address of that particular data or variable, and actual data is stored into the separate memory named as a heap memory. Okay. In that heap memory, actual data is present, but in stack memory we just have an address of that. Just consider one data. I have one array 1 2 3 4 5. In that there are elements of array, and this array is stored into the heap memory. I have variable named as a is equal to array 1 2 3 4 5. Okay. In that, a is a variable which is stored into the stack memory, but in that a we have address of that array which is stored into the heap memory. Because of this, the program will get light in weight. Because of this, RAM consumption is decreased, memory consumption is decreased. There are lot of advantages, and this is nothing but memory management and memory allocation, this process. Next, when we create any new object, then that new object is stored into the new, old generation, and in heap memory also there is two parts: old generation and new generation. When you when you create new object, then it is stored into the new generation, and if that object will become permanent, means it is nothing but when you join any company, if you completed 5 years, then you will get permanent. That's similarly in the Java, similar process in Java. When any object is created, it is just promoted into the old heap memory. Because of this, the garbage collector cannot access the objects into the objects from old heap memory. That's all about basic details about memory allocations in Java. Thank you for today. Bye.